Hello and welcome guys. In this short and basic video, today we will learn how to convert large Excel file to PDF. So just guys, you have to open your PDF file, Excel file. So as we can see, we have this file and now we will convert this file into PDF. So click on this file and here click on Save As. Now browse and give your design name here. And you will see the setting save as type. So here make sure you have to select PDF and optimize for standard or minimum size to publish online. So leave as default these all settings and just now save it. So as we can see now we converted this large Excel file into PDF in just a few steps. So thanks for watching and please subscribe to this channel for more useful videos.